So the device in my hand is OnePlus Node, and in this video we are showing. Okay, you can see that this is the camera in the phone, and if you open the camera, you can see the features here like this: there's panorama, video, photo, slow motion, portrait, etc. And you haven't noticed one thing: if you are in this photo mode, and this is the button that you are normally pressing. And suppose if you are using in OnePlus Node, if you press this hold this button, if you click one time, then you can see that the photo comes here. But if you hold this button for few seconds, then the video recording will be up, and that is I will show you now. So I am going to press this, you can see this white color button here, and I am going to press this for few seconds, and now you can see that the video recording is going on here now. So if you hold this switch for few minutes, if you hold this button for few seconds, then video recording will be going on. So now you can see that a video has been recorded here now. Okay, and to enable or changes this feature, that is I will show you, that is in the okay, in this you can see a 3 dot here, no, this one. So if you open the camera, then you can see that I will show you once again. If you open the camera, then you can see a 3 dot here, and you must click this one, and now you must click this setting here. Now you can see here the long press shutter record video. So in some cases, if your phone is the tick mark is seen here, then you can see that only it will take the best photos. So you must change it to record video option like this, and if your setting looks like this, that is long press shutter to record video is enabled, then you can see that if you press this button for few seconds, then the video recording will be going on. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.